So today we're gonna go over how to buy a car from ADA Motor Cars. And ADA Motor Cars is basically a used dealership that's family owned, and it's super easy to get a car from them. And especially for someone it's your first time, or you're still as a high school student, I think this is the perfect place for me to get my first car. So we're gonna go on to ADA Motor Cars' Instagram, and it's really easy to go around their Instagram and really easy to find stuff you're looking for. But what we're gonna do is we are going to go on the link in their bio. From this link, we're able to get to their Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and their website. So we're gonna click on website. So right off the bat, we're able to see on the left side of the screen all of their socials and things like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. And at the very top, you can see shortcuts to whatever you're looking for and how to contact us. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down, and there's multiple ways to find a car that you're looking for. So let's do a quick search. Let's say I have a specific car in mind. I want a Chevrolet with a Suburban model, and for my minimum price I'm going to say $25,000, and for max I'm going to say $35,000. And I can put that in the search bar, and then I can find a car that's perfect for me. So they gave me a car that's a Chevrolet Suburban, and it's in my price range. You can also learn more about the car, so how much mileage it has, the color, the body type, basically everything about it. You can confirm availability, so you can give them your information and they'll reach back out to you telling you, oh yeah, this car is available and up for grabs. Or you can apply to the car to buy it if you're like, this is the one I want. And you just put all your information in. It's as simple as that. If you go back, let's say I don't really have a specific type of car in mind, or I don't really have a price in mind, you can choose either. So I want to buy an SUV, let's say. So I just click on the SUV, and then it's going to give me multiple SUVs. Let's say I have a specific price range, and I'll just put that price range. I'm gonna do 15 to 20,000, and they're gonna give me SUVs in that price range. So okay, let's go back. Now let's say you don't really have a type of car, you're just kind of looking for price. I want a car that's $15,000 to $20,000. I can just click on that, and it's gonna give me a bunch of cars, and it's gonna give me multiple cars that are in my price range, and also more information on them. So if we go back to their homepage one more time, and we can scroll down past all the body type and everything, there is a about us section to tell you more about ADA Motor Cars. And if you go down, reviews, and also about how ADA Motor Cars is the perfect place to buy your first car. Now, let's say you have a car that you want to sell or trade in. Just click on the sell and trade in area at the very top, and you can put in the information about your car and how they can reach you when they're ready. And then let's say you have a specific car in mind, but you're not really sure where to find it. You can also click on Car Finder, and you can click or put in all your information about what type of car you want and how they can reach you, and they'll find the car or help you find it, and then they'll reach back out to you. Now, if you want to contact them, of course, there's a contact us section at the very top. It gives you all their information, when they're available, when they're open, where they are, their location. If you have any comments, you can send them a comment. And then if you want to go to About Us, they have more reviews, where they are, and their YouTube channel, which is where this is going to be on. So it's as simple as that. As a high school student, I think ADA Motor Cars is a perfect place for me when I get my first car.